டு கேம்ப்ஸ் கல்வி சேனல். இந்த வீடியோவில் சோஷியல் யூனிட் 3 டேர்ம் 2 கான்டினென்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் த வேர்ல்டு 5th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் பார்க்கலாம். சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். 1. There are 7 continents in the world. 2. The largest continent is Asia. 3. Nile is the longest river in the world. 4. Lake Superior is located in North America. Penguins are found in Antarctica. Match the following. Asia, biggest continent. Africa, Sahara Desert. Europe, Vatican City. South America, Amazon Forest. Australia, kangaroo. True or false? 1. Asia is the third largest continent. False. 2. India has one of the 8 wonders of the world. False. 3. Brazil is one of the largest coffee producer in the world. True. 4. The Great Barrier Reef is in India. False. 5. Antarctica has half year of flight. True. Answer the following. 1. Name the continents. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. 2. Where is the Taj Mahal located? Taj Mahal is situated in Agra on the banks of river Yamuna. Third question. Describe North America's important features. 1. North America is the third largest continent by area, following Asia and Africa. Second point. The largest freshwater lake, Lake Superior, is located in this continent. 3. The world's third longest river in the Mississippi is located in North America. The United States of America is a part of North America. 4. Where is the Great Barrier Reef located? The Great Barrier Reef is located in Australia. 5. Which continent is called the frozen continent? Antarctica continent is called the frozen continent. Answer the following in detail. 1. Write a short note on any 2 continents. Asia. Asia is the world's largest continent in size and population. Asia has the highest point on earth, the peak of Mount Everest, which is in the Himalayas. Asia is the birth of great ancient civilizations: Harappan civilization, Chinese civilization, and Mesopotamian civilization. Next continent, Africa. Africa is the second largest continent of the world. The world's longest river, the Nile, and the world's largest desert, the Sahara, both are home in Africa. More than 50% of the world's gold and diamonds came from the mineral-rich continent of Africa. Ethiopia in Africa is the hottest place. Write a note on monuments of India. India has several historical monuments. Taj Mahal is one such monument. Taj Mahal is built completely using white marble stone. This most beautiful monument is recognized as one of 7 wonders of the world. Other historical moments in India include India Gate and Qutub Minar in Delhi, Gateway of India in Mumbai, Charminar in Hyderabad, Pragadishwara Temple and Gangaikonda Cholapuram in Tamil Nadu. Give a detailed study of Australia. Australia is the island continent covered by a single country with unique landscapes and natural wonders. The Great Barrier Reef, the pride and joy of Australia, is made up of nearly 2,500 individual reefs and visible from space. Australia includes the islands of Tasmania and numerous small islands. Activity: write the name of the country and its continent in the table given below. Country: China and India, Asia. Kenya, Egypt, Africa. Ottawa, Canada, North America. Argentina, Brazil, South America. Norway, Sweden, Europe. Is it correct to pollute our rivers? No, it is not correct to pollute our rivers. Which state is called the breadbasket of India? The Punjab and Haryana regions are considered the breadbasket of India. World map Arctic Ocean, next Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean. Next 7 continents: North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. The Great Wall of China is the main man-made structure that can be seen from space. Thousands of years ago, the 7 continents of the world were joined together as a single huge landmass called Pangaea, but it slowly broke apart, separated as 7 continents. The continent was uninhabitable and remained unknown for thousands of years, earning its name of Dark Continent. North America is the only continent in the world that has all climatic types. The Amazon rainforest covers most of the Amazon basin in South America. Finland in Europe is called the land of lakes because melting ice sheets have created a lot of lakes here. Russia, the country, stretches over a vast expanse of Eastern Europe and North Asia. Ukraine's steppe region is called the bread of basket of Europe because it produces a large amount of wheat.
இதோட இந்த வீடியோ முடியுது. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.